Well, new at 5, hiccups. There are all kinds of home remedies. Suck on a lemon, drink from the far side of a glass, a spoonful of sugar. Well, a local doctor thinks he has a new solution.
As 12 on your side's Marilyn Moritz shows us, it is a weirdly shaped straw inspired in part by a McDonald's ice cream flurry.
Do you have hiccups right now?
Hiccups are nothing to giggle at for twins Avery and Paige.
These little kids were getting hiccups every day, every single day, and often it would become painful, annoying.
Their mom, Pat Squire, says they tried all the home remedies.
Also cold water with the straw, with closing the ears. We did that.
Nothing worked well, so when she heard about this, the Hickaway, she was intrigued.
So I started with this.
It's the invention of Dr. Ali Saifi, a neurointensivist. It all began when he saw a patient suffering.
He said, "Doctor, I'm very okay with my brain surgery, but what hurts me now is this hiccup." He turned to me and said, "Doctor, can you help me, please?"
Hiccups begin with a diaphragm spasm. The nerves alert the brain to close the throat.
That's when you hear the hic sound in our throat.
So Saifi focused on how to interrupt the cycle.
How can I come with a device that keep the diaphragm and the valve in the throat busy at the same time?
These are from years of trial and error. While working on his prototypes, he was inspired by his son's McFlurry. Take a look at this straw. Now, this will not cure the hiccups, but the engineering design, well, it was an inspiration. He came up with this, a fat straw with a tiny, precise hole, so you have to suck 5 times harder than normal.
You need to, sip through it like... Right.
The pressure lowers the diaphragm and interrupts the hiccup cycle.
Sort of faking out the brain.
Yeah.
It's backed by science. A published study found it worked 9 out of 10 times. As for Avery and Paige, well, watch.
Are your hiccups gone?
Problem solved without a hiccup. Marilyn Moritz, KSAT 12 News.